Okay, we're working on the disc, the International 10-foot disc here today. What happened was this piece went down in here like this. This piece connected to here like that, went in there. Whenever that cylinder would push out, this would hold down, hold it in place, and it would raise the wheels up and down on the disc. Well, one of this bolt came out of the side rail here, allowed this to push up, just twisted the crap out of this. So that gets thrown out. That's junk now. The way I'm going to fix this is I'm just using pieces of scrap and leftover stuff I have. I'm going to weld this piece down in here. I got to move this cylinder back a little bit. I'm going to weld this piece down in here. Weld this piece is a T onto this piece, and then weld these pieces on either side of it as gussets to hold that stiff. So that's a challenge. That's what we're working on here today. So I'll mount you up here somewhere on the back of the tractor so you can watch what we're doing and see what's going on. Okay, you can see what I did. I welded the piece of C-channel in across here. Welded that piece of plate right there that was originally on this cylinder. And I run verticals downhill. I couldn't run uphill because I just can't get in there to weld. That's alright, them tight enough welds. And then I welded gusset plates in here. Now my torch is out of oxygen, or I'd have cut these off on an angle. But they are what they are. If they ever need to get in there, we'll cut them off at that point in time to change this cylinder or something. But as far as this mount for this cylinder to the disc itself, it'll be a long time in my lifetime before that comes off, let's say it that way. So there we go. Welded up, ready to go. He's ready to get back in the field. That's it.